Are you tired of replying to same WhatsApp messages over and over again? Imagine running your business while WhatsApp handles customer messages for you automatically. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate your WhatsApp business using a powerful app called AutoTest with the real examples from Ransaf Fire Safety Solutions. Let's dive in. Whether you are a one-person business or running a full team, customers expect instant replies, but responding late that can cost you sales. With this simple setup, you can send money, collect quotes, book inspection, and even let customers talk to a real person all automatically. No coding is involved. So, in the next session, we are going to look at how to automate our WhatsApp business. Welcome back. Now, the software we are going to use or the mobile application we are going to use is called AutoTest. Now, what is AutoTest? AutoTest is a smart Android app that lets you set up automated as for WhatsApp business. Think of it as your virtual receptionist that works 24/7. It responds instantly to customers' messages based on keywords, and you can customize everything. Let me show you how we set this up for Ransaf Fire. Great, you are welcome back. Now, before you can set this automated WhatsApp business app, you should sit down and craft your business. It should have an outline. What are the things that you do, the activities? So here with Ransaf, this was what we did. You see, this was the first welcome message. And I must say that because you are going to craft it in your own way, you have to put the WhatsApp business auto reply and late message reply off. So this was what we said, and then we put everything here. So this is what Ransaf does. Then we have apportion numbers. So number one is for services. Then number two is for the up to the ninth one. For the sake of time, I'm going to show you how to set the introduction. Then the 1 and 2, it follows the same pattern. All you know is how to set the software up. So quickly, let's move on. So now that you've crafted this, let's go into the app. Great. So when you come here, you click on the plus sign. In fact, when you install the app and you click on the plus sign, pop-up will come, enable accessibility and all that. So when you come to app not working, this interface will come. You have to enable accessibility to enable the permissions. After you've gone through, you are good to go. In case you are wondering how to go about this, I have a previous video that I have explained this one in details. So how to configure the software or the app, set it up. I have told you. So you click on the plus sign, kindly watch it. Now let's get to it. So you click on the plus sign. We are talking about auto reply. So you click on auto reply, then it is WhatsApp. So what message do you want to reply? Let me paste the welcome message. Now you can give a title, say that welcome message for Ransaf. Just say welcome, WC. This will not be shown to customers, WC, welcome. Okay. Now, here is the trick. We are responding to individual. When to reply, when message is received. Now let's move. Filter messages. Are we going to say specific? No. This one is a welcome message, so you will say all messages. I will talk about this later. Then sender, everyone. Ignore sender. So ignore sender means that maybe there are some people who don't want them to receive the message, the welcome message. Then you can come here, go to your phone contact. Then let's come to the rule for each sender. Now, because the person has already sent you a message and the person has received this welcome message, it is not proper for the person when anytime the person sends you a message, this same welcome message will go. So what you do is that you can say pause for, let's go to days, 30 days, which is 1 month. See. So once someone sends you a message and the person receives this welcome message, the person already will read through. So the person knows everything. So it will pause for 30 days before, if the person contacts you again, you will receive it. So that is the first step. Now, so anyone who sends you a message, the person will receive this one. It will pause for 30 days. It's for individual. Then you click on save. Now auto replies. Don't forget that we told them 1 is for services. So if the person sent 1 is supposed to pop up. So let's go and copy the services. And then let's come here, the plus again, auto reply, WhatsApp business. Then so we will say services. Now let's come here. This one, we are not going to say all messages. We are going to filter the messages. So you click on filter messages. So you will say message exact matches. So we told them they should type one, then you click on the plus one. Some people will decide to type in words. So you type that one also. Some people also will bring hashtag one. So you will begin to think, if it were you, how will you type it after you've put in all the figures? And we said use one or keyword, and the keyword is services. So you type services, then you type service again because some customers will not add the S. You click the plus, then you save it. So now anyone who send either one in words with hashtag services, then this message will go. So it means that it is not all messages. It is only the welcome message that is all messages. Then when you finish, do we have any reply rule? For this one, I will say no, because it is the person who put in before they will get the reply. So if a day they want to send you a one times, thousand times, it doesn't matter. So you leave it like that. Then don't forget the name. Then you click on save. So you realize that when you come here, I have welcome Ransaf, then I have the services. Now let's go back again and copy number 2, which is the product available. Okay, so you just paste it, product available. This one too, you go to is still individuals, filter messages. Messages contain exact matches. The reason why we are selecting exact matches, if you don't select that one and someone is sending you a message and one is inside the message, the services will go. So that's why exact matches. So if it is not, it will not go. Now number 2 is services. So you type to the same thing we did, TWO, and you type hashtag and what, save it. This one, are you going to reply? No, we are not going to any rule that pause or so there's no rule, and then we are done. So that is how we set this up. Now once we are done like this, let's save it, and then in the next session we are going to test it. So once we test it and everything is okay, the final session I will give you the guidelines on how to set this one up to make it very easy for you. So stick and stay. Great, you are welcome back. So now let me also say this. You can see that what we did initially, it was for all your clients or anybody. But what if you have clients, you save their names already? Is it necessary for you to send them that welcome message? No. Now, those people, what message are you going to send it? Then we call it the welcome back message for returning client. So all that you have come to contact, then you tell the app my contact only. So it means that this particular messages will be sent to all the people you save their contact. So when they come, this message will never be sent to a new person because you said your contact only. So this message will only be sent to your contact only. Now, after you've done this, then it means that you have to go back and edit the welcome message. And then this welcome message, let's go to contacts, come to the contacts, and instead of selecting everyone, you select numbers not in my contact. So in this case, all these messages will be sent to people that you've not saved their contacts. So the people that you've saved their contact, they already know what you do. So this welcome message is not important. It is the welcome back message that you send to them. And all the fresh clients who are sending you messages, yes, they are actually going to receive this message. So it is pretty easy and simple. Send messages to new customers and then send messages to old customers separately. Now you follow the same steps. When you send the returning customers message, the same instructions follows. Now let me show you what I did for Ransaf first returning message. Okay, so when you come to the returning, now let's see. You see I use A, B, C, and D. So if a person sends A, request a quote, you are not going to copy the quote again. You just go to the quote and edit the trigger, the filter messages. You edit it and add A to it. So whether the person is a new one and the person will use Tamatepe, the old customer will use A, and it is the same information that sent to the person. So there's no need for you to copy the code. Else you have a lot of stuff on your homepage, on the test auto test app. So all that you have to do is the quote app, just go there and change it to A. Then the B, you go to the next inspection, then you add it the trigger filter message. This is the trigger, and then on you are moving on. So it is easy and simple. You can send return messages and messages for fresh client. I said you let the app unlock your device. So this is how, if you have set a pin, now you see auto unlock device. So if you check this one, then you put in the pin that you use to unlock your device. Then you save it. So when the time is up, it will send the message. In that case, you are not going to use auto reply. It is the schedule that will be used. Now I have a detailed video on how to use the schedule to unlock your phone to send messages to groups, individuals, and whatever. So watch that video. It is pretty easy and simple, very short. And trust, it will unlock and send it just without any struggle. After that, it will lock them. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share. Don't lose customers because you send messages like, sorry, we are unavailable. No, let them know that you are available. Give them options. They will read. Those who are eager and serious, they will read. Because for them contacting you means that they want a solution to a problem or a need. So make sure you provide it in a systematic manner. Don't give them plenty information. Break them down so that they can easily read and understand. Now watch the other video I'm talking about where you can schedule everything. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and share.